of the church's swimming pool, and we have just seen that we have installed some lovely solar panels. What's going on with these solar panels?
Well, there are 356 solar panels on the top that have just been switched on this morning, and they're already generating 75 kilowatts per hour of energy, even on a late winter's afternoon with the sun falling down behind the trees. So we have got a program of putting solar panels on the roof. So the first lot went on the top of Goodfield a couple of years ago, and this is the next lot, and then we're going to find another roof to put more solar panels on, and we're slowly replacing our dependency on the national grid for our electricity, and we're generating ourselves.
That's cool. How long has it taken to put all the solar panels on the roof?
Well, I think we came back from half term. You might have noticed all the scaffolding around. So just before half term started. So we're about 2-3 weeks it's taken to install all of these panels, but we had to lay a cable all the way through to the substation, a big thick cable all the way through to the substation, because if we produce too much electricity, we give it back to the national grid.
That's very cool. Thank you.
Thank you.